It's time to start stacking those tins up again because Pokemon just released a new version of the stackable tins. So today we're going to find out exactly what packs can be pulled out of these tins. But not only that, make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I'm going to be opening up another new product, the Hisuian Zoroark V-Star Premium Collection Box. And by the way, I'm going to be giving away every single card that I pull in today's video, so make sure you enter the giveaway by number 1, smashing the like button. Number 2, make sure you subscribe to the channel with those notifications on, so click that bell icon and set it to all. And then number 3, leave a comment down below in the comment section. We have the new stackable tins. Now, is this the new and improved version, or is this going to be a sort of a similar product that we saw last summer? But here we go. The first thing I will tell you is that they decided to throw Charizard on there because everybody wants Charizard. We got Score Bunny as well, and then we got a bunch of other Pokemon on there as well. But here's the thing, right? It says 3 booster packs and then 1 coin inside of here. All right, let's cross our fingers and hope that there's good sets inside of here. There's only 3 packs, so I don't know what to expect. I'm hoping that there's some good ones, though. I'm really hoping. Okay, so let's pop the top here, and let's get it started. Okay, so we can't see anything. There's literally so much room inside of these tins because they're made to just put a bunch of stuff in there, but only 3 packs, so there's plenty of room. They could have put a lot more than 3 in here. But our first pack, okay, it's going to be Lost Origin, and the pack is kind of, like, bent at the bottom and stuff like that because they kind of, like, if you shake up the tin, the packs will go all over the place. But we have a Lost Origin booster pack to start off here with our first one, so let's see what we can get out of this. All right, code card to the side, and let's see if we get some stackable tins luck here because these take up a lot of space. Like, if you're looking to get a lot of packs, these are probably not the way to go. Inkay, we got a Damage Pump and a Dugong. All right, let's move on to pack number 2, and oh wait, actually, there's a coin here. The coin is, oh, there we go. Okay, we got a Score Bunny Jumbo coin. Pretty standard. But then the next pack we should be on. Yep, okay, this is definitely a pack. It's another Lost Origin. Okay, it's the most recent release set, so nothing too crazy. This is the one that's most available. Like, this set just released as of the recording of this anyway. So you can get this, you get Lost Origin everywhere. I mean, if you're watching this like 10 or 20 years in the future, then maybe this is kind of cool. But this is basically the newest set here. Makuita, we got Bayonet. Oh, that's actually really cool. I don't care what time you're watching this. Dark Patch Gold card. Nice. Second back in. That's pretty sick. It's definitely off center, but it's a gold card out of only 2 packs. All right, remember, I'm pulling these for a subscriber, so that could be you. Make sure into the giveaway. We got a gold card. That's a good sign. Now, I think we're going to be on to our final pack here. There's only 3. We are opening up all the tins, so maybe there's different ones in some of those tins, or they could just be all the same. But, oh, Chilling Reign. Okay, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. I mean, I would have liked some Evolving Skies. Who wouldn't, right? But we got Chilling Reign in here as well. So 2 Lost Origin. And 1 Chilling Reign, so it's not like the craziest because we're not seeing like an Evolving Skies in there and some of the ones that are a little bit older. But Chilling Reign's actually really solid. But no Brilliant Stars, no Astral Radiance. We got a Calyrex V. Man, that's cool. When you're done, you get to have this tin. Obviously, you're gonna keep this, so stack them up. Next tin, we have Farfetch'd on here and a couple other Pokemon, as well as Cubone on the back. Or I guess I don't really know. Oh, maybe that's the front. I don't know if there's a back or a front, but anyway, let's see if this one's a little bit different or if it's going to be exactly the same. I'm going to guess it's going to be exactly the same, but you never know. Okay, so let's see. First pack. Let's see if it's a Lost Origin again. These are actually kind of weird. They're just thrown in there and they're like sideways. Lost Origin again to start off here, so it's probably going to be the same, but we're going to open up all these. I'm going to show you guys all the artworks on these. They're still pretty cool. Honestly, they make a cool display piece, plus you can put stuff in them for storage. We have a Dugong. Oh, but Dugong start off again. Maybe there's a different coin. Maybe you get a different coin. We'll find out. Maybe that's a different coin. I think the premium box that we're opening up later in the video, though, I'm pretty sure that actually has some maybe some Brilliant Stars and stuff like that. So we'll see. Greeting. And the last pack. Let's see. It is Chilling Reign. Why is there's a hair? Ew. There's like a hair down there. I don't even know if you guys can see that. This is a random hair in there. Okay, so this one you actually get the Eevee coin, which is nice, and then another Chilling Reign. So it's pretty standard. You're going to be seeing 2 battle styles, 2 Lost Origin, and 1 Chilling Reign. What are we going to do in like a couple years when there's even more sets? I'm trying to remember the names of all sets. Oh, that's just a regular holo. This one's pretty sick. Oh, and you got an Umbreon on the side there too. Whoa, okay. I like this one. I like all 3 of them, honestly. But yeah, I mean, I'm a sucker for Umbreons, though. This is the last unique designed artwork, but there are 3 more in there as well. So let's see. Yeah, this is pretty clean. It's got like a lot of cool different blues and purples on here. But let's check this out, and I'm pretty... Wait, is that different? Wait a second. Oh, it's Lost Origin. Just don't listen to me anymore. For a second, I thought that was Brilliant Stars. But, like, Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, and Lost Origin, they all have the same, like, layout of the packs. And from the back, they honestly look the same. So it's kind of weird they do that. They've never done that before until the last 3 sets. Okay. We're going to assume. Yep, we got Chilling Reign. Actually, Chilling Reign's second out of this one. Chilling Reign, and then we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. One more Lost Origin probably in there. And then we're going to see what we get in our other stuff that we have here, including that other product. Flaffy and Cresselia. Oh, yeah, and then there should be a different coin, and there is. Okay, very nice. Okay, I was confused for a split second, but there we go. Okay, would you guys pick up these stackable tins or not? Let me know. For me, they're cool to collect, like, the actual tins, and then after that, it's probably not worth it to pick them up because you only get 3 packs. And I actually don't know how much these go for, but I'm assuming they're probably a little bit more. We got a Radiant Gardevoir. Oh, and a Cresselia Hollow. Okay, here's the rest of the packs from the 3 other tins. So I'm going to open these up, see if there's any other pulls that are left in here. And then we're going to open up the last item that you guys have not seen yet, which is also a new release. So these officially released on October 28th. So as of recording this, there's still like about a week until the release. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's the old lady. Okay, we'll take it. That's a trainer gallery card. The old lady. All right. So we're getting the pulls, though, which is good. We're getting the pulls. Another one? Oh, Magnezone V-Star now. Okay. All right, I can't wait to see what packs are in the final product that we have here. Remember, pretty much every week throughout, I want to say pretty much the rest of this year, we're probably going to be opening up at least 1 new product a week at like minimum, because there's so many product releases. It's 4th quarter, it's the holidays, it's everything, and this is when they pump out all the newest products. Blissey V, we're on a roll. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you like all things Pokemon cards. We open up old school, new school, everything in between, and always every single day Pokemon card openings here. Every single day. Let's see if we continue this with Frostless still hit. Okay, we have 4 more Lost Origin. 4 more Lost Origin. Maybe we get another Alt Art Aerodactyl out of here. Maybe we can make up for having to open up almost 3,000 booster packs to pull the Lost Origin Aerodactyl Alt Art. I think we're due for another one because we are definitely behind on the pulls with that. We have Radiant Gardevoir again. All right, final 2 packs. Then we're moving on to the last product that's releasing next week. Pidgeot V, another pull. Doing pretty good on these other tins. So yeah, they're kind of cool. We have as the last hit 2 Greedents. Wow. All right, so here we have it, the Hisuian Zoroark V-Star Premium Collection Box. And Pokemon's been making a lot of different versions of these. Essentially, you get the same sort of things, a couple of V-Stars, a Jumbo and a regular, a Full Art V, you get some pins, coin, and the V-Star badge as well. And then it just depends on what packs they threw in here. So yeah, let's check this out. This is one of those things where you just get a lot of different things inside the actual collection box. All right, let's get this out of here and see what we got. Oop, almost hit myself with that. I'm good. So, all right, let's start off with this pin. This looks pretty, whoa, that's actually pretty high quality. It's like super heavy. It has like, I feel like it has 2, yeah, it's like 2 layers of pins. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. Of course, guys, you couldn't have this without a V-Star badge because you get that in every single thing ever. You have a Jumbo Zoroark V-Star card. There's a coin as well. There's also going to be these 2 promo, or I guess, yeah, promo cards. They are. So you get the V-Star Zoroark, and then you have the Full Art Zoroark as well. That's going in the pile of hits that are getting given away. And then you get the code card. But here's where it's interesting. I want to see these packs. So we definitely have 2 Lost Origin because it's the most recent release. We also have an Evolving Skies. That's sick. I will take that. Evolving Skies. There's also a Chilling Reign. That's actually really good as well. These are all really nice. Astral Radiance, and then we do have Fusion Strike in here as well. That's solid. Okay, that's a solid lineup. What do you guys think? So let's start off with Fusion Strike. Haven't opened that up in a minute. All right, Fusion Strike. So that's the Zoroark premium box now. You know, I think Pokemon's starting to make products. I've seen them starting to release products where it's like more just for booster packs, because I know a lot of people like opening up stuff and just having like the packs in there with nothing else. Genesect V. So I've been noticing it, right? They have the showcase mini. Essentially, it's a mini booster box. The man, why can't I think? What are they called? They're like mini booster boxes. Booster bundle box, what they call it. The booster bundle box, which has like, I think 6 packs or something like that. And it's literally just the packs. Ooh, we got the Gengar. Then when I was going through to Walgreens, I saw like the Virizion Showcase box. And I think they have other ones too. the size of a Raisin one that I was hearing about, where it's like, okay, you get the one promo card, and then it's pretty much all packs, and it's in like a cardboard box. So I know that Pokemon's starting to do that a little bit more now. Okay, so we have Astral Radiance, Chilling Reign, and Evolving Skies as the final 3 booster packs in this opening. Let me know what you thought of these brand new Pokemon product releases, and let me know if you're going to pick them up or not, or if you think it's worth picking them up. We have Sudowoodo, Ralts, Togepi, Regirock. We got to end it with Evolving Skies. You can get something really slick from Chilling Reign, though, as well. Let's see. But yeah, these are pretty cool. Always checking out the newest products here in the PokeCave. And make sure you go to the PokeCave.com if you are interested in any new product releases, old school, new school. It's all there. So make sure to check it out. Doug Trio. All right, but this is our final booster pack. It's going to be Evolving Skies. It's probably going to be the reprint. And yeah, right now there should be some stuff popping up on the screen unless there's actually a crazy hit in this pack, which it probably won't end right away. But most likely you're going to see some stuff popping up on the screen. You can click on a different video if you want to watch more content. Hit that subscribe button on your way out as well. And yeah, I think that's probably going to do it. Do we have anything? We do. That's actually pretty solid. A Glacian VMAX. But yeah, that's going to do it. Hope you guys have a great day. And I will see you on the next one.